Today, during your phonics word study lesson, you discussed how consonant sounds can be represented by several different letters or letter clusters. So today, during your practice, you are going to do a word sort. You're going to read each word on the word card, listen for the f sound, and then sort the word into the correct column by dragging it to the box with the correct letter or letter clusters. So here's your assignment. Each of these words have the f sound in them, and they are all represented by either a single F, FF, PH, or GH. So you're going to read the word on the card and then listen for the f sound and determine which category it belongs in. So for the word cliff, it is represented by FF. So we are going to drag it into the column that has FF. For the word cough, the f sound is represented by GH. So you will drag that into the GH column. You will do that for all the rest of the words and then submit on Schoology when finished.